Today we want to focus solely on Gemini 3. During these days, specific data has emerged that clearly shows how Google is handling it internally and what the public release strategy appears to be. First, Google is already quietly testing it. Within AI Studio, internal AD tests are running, and direct references to something called Gemini Beta 3.0 Pro have been detected. This means it's being evaluated, and trials are already underway. We can't select it manually from the model list yet, but developers have spotted it discreetly in the back end, in sections tied to starter apps. This aligns with the long-term plan to unveil it during the Gemini at Work livestream, which would be the moment to publicly showcase its capabilities. The first people who interacted with it described something very clear. It excels at complex programming tasks, especially front-end development. In one test, it generated a complete SVG of a PlayStation 4 controller, well-drawn and virtually error-free. This isn't just text reasoning, it's genuine visual precision. When compared to Claude 4.5 Sonnet, Gemini 3's graphical output proved more accurate and faster. It's highly capable in speed, control, and code, with noticeably refined multimodal text-visual comprehension. Additionally, AI Studio's internal interfaces have begun showing changes. There's a new section called My Stuff that serves as storage for generated images, snippets, or code pieces you request. Another key point, Gemini 3 isn't arriving as a single model. There are two main variants in the code. Gemini 3 Pro, focused on deep reasoning, lengthy tasks, and complex thinking, and Gemini 3 Flash, designed for speed and immediate use. Internal records have revealed two key terms, deep think and agent mode. The first, deep think, refers to an architecture allowing more internal steps to solve multi-stage problems without losing track. The second, agent mode, introduces browser control, enabling real actions within a browser like searching for information or performing direct tasks. This move aligns with the autonomous capabilities of ChatGPT or Copilot, but within Google's ecosystem. The rollout won't happen all at once, but will follow a phased approach. First, enterprise access via Vertex AI this month, then developer access through cloud tiers between November and December, and general availability is expected by early 2026. The first entry points would be Android 17 and Google Search, along with Chrome and Workspace app integration. The goal seems to be testing real-world loads before rolling it out to millions of users at once if everything goes according to plan. Gemini 3 could push Google past 500 million active users before year's end. This keeps Google directly competing against OpenAI's next models like GPT-5 and Musk's lineup, Grok 4, Grok 5, GPT-6, and so on. But competition isn't just about reasoning ability anymore, but what complete ecosystem gets built around the model. Google is embedding Gemini in browsers, phones, and productivity apps, while OpenAI is betting on standalone applications. An SDK and its agent kit are different strategies with the same end goal: turning the model into a system that acts in the world, not just responds. That's what we know today about Gemini 3. They're already measuring it internally with evidence of its visual and code speed capabilities, detection of Pro and Flash mode names, and signs of multi-step reasoning. There are also hints of agent functions with browser control, and it's already outlined how it will be gradually released. Now we just need to see the exact moment when they publicly flip the switch. So that's it. Let me know what you think about this news, and I'll see you next time.